Warm lemon water is a popular drink that many people enjoy for its health benefits. However, many people don't know whether or not it's actually good for them. Luckily, we have the answer. This video will discuss how to make and drink this healthy concoction, and why drinking warm lemon water every day could be good for you. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Is drinking warm lemon water good for you? Starting each morning with a cup of lemon water is a straightforward thing we can do that has significant benefits. With this one simple drink, you can improve your digestion, flush out toxins from your body, boost your immune system during flu season, and lower blood cholesterol levels to promote weight loss. Folate, found in citrus fruits and juices, helps feed the skin with essential nutrients, eliminating acne and giving you an even complexion. With nutrients such as vitamin A, beta-carotene, and vitamin C, it's no wonder lemons are highly regarded as something everyone should have in the morning. The use of lemons for culinary and medical purposes is documented back to the ancient Egyptians over 2,500 years ago. Lemons were praised as a natural remedy to ward off diseases like scurvy. Lemons are chock full of vitamin C, which has an antioxidant effect that protects cells from free radicals or toxins found in cigarette smoke and pollution. Lemons are used in many cultures for their natural health benefits and are available at your local grocery store or farm stand. Now you're probably wondering, how much lemon water should I drink in a day? Doctors and nutritionists alike agree that everyone should squeeze the juice of 2 to 3 lemons, around 4-6 tablespoons, into their daily routine. A simple way to feel great is to drink 1 or 2 glasses of lemon water with meals. A glass in between for good measure can also be beneficial when it comes to your health. What are the side effects of drinking warm lemon water? Drinking too many glasses of lemon water can have adverse side effects. Large amounts of lemon water can lead to stomach discomfort, diarrhea, heartburn, and nausea. Lemons are also known for high levels of acidity, which can be harmful to your teeth. Frequent lemon juice consumption may erode tooth enamel, and lead to various dental problems such as cavities or discoloration in the gums. To protect your tooth enamel, always drink lemon water through a straw to prevent the acidity from leaching onto and damaging your teeth. If you have health concerns or discomfort after drinking lemon water, it is essential to contact your healthcare provider. What happens when you drink lemon water on an empty stomach? The benefits of lemon water are enhanced when you drink it on an empty stomach. Lemon water is a healthier alternative to caffeinated beverages, such as coffee and tea. It can hydrate you by replenishing your lost nutrients without the unhealthy side effects that come with caffeine consumption. Lemon water is also an excellent drink for liver health as it boosts bile production and aids digestion. Drink lemon water to maintain an optimal level of health throughout the day. Is it better to drink lemon water at night or morning? Lemon water in the morning will have you feeling great all day long. You will notice better digestion, reduced inflammation, fresher breath, and enhanced brain function. Studies have shown that individuals who drink lemon juice before exercising feel more energetic than those who don't. Lemon water is also a fantastic way to detox while you sleep. Many people find that drinking lemon water before bed helps them feel more energized and lighter the morning after. The citric acid in lemons has an astringent effect on the body, which helps clean out your intestines and speeds up metabolism to flush toxins from your system. Drinking lemon water aids those struggling with constipation, as well as those who are looking for weight loss benefits. Drinking lemon water right when you wake up and before bed is a sure way to get your body's pH back in balance. Here's our recipe for warm lemon water. It is crucial to care for your health during the changing seasons. A warm lemon drink is a great way to stay healthy year-round. First, use your kettle or microwave to warm up the water. Next, squeeze 1 whole lemon into a glass of filtered water. For even more health benefits, mix in 1 teaspoon of honey and add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon on top. Which lemons are best to use? Regular lemons are the most readily available type of lemon in supermarkets. They have golden yellow skin and an oblong shape, but what's inside is important too. Organic lemons contain no pesticides or chemicals, which means they'll be better for your health and are more environmentally friendly to produce. Not only do organic lemons taste great, but their peelings can also provide many benefits, such as helping with digestion and keeping you hydrated by aiding thirst regulation throughout the body. Bottled lemon juice is not ideal as it often contains preservatives that strip away any actual health benefits. Meyer lemons, commonly used for baked goods, are not considered an actual citrus fruit and should not be used. Summary: if you're ready to improve your health, warm lemon water may be just the thing. Whether it's a morning routine or an afternoon pick-me-up, this citrus drink can help with digestion and weight loss, plus provide other scientifically proven benefits like improved mood and mental clarity. To reap these rewards without any unwanted side effects, remember not to drink too much at once, which could lead to stomach upset. Now that you have the scoop about warm lemon water, it's time to try our recipe and begin enjoying many health benefits today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos about health and wellness.